Do you utilize the multicam clips in Final Cut Pro? If you do, you know how powerful the feature is. Take it a step further with this shortcut. First, select a multicam clip in either the browser or timeline. Then press Shift-Command-Right arrow. Just like that, the clip is switched to the next camera angle. No more clicking around the angle viewer to switch shots. Pair Shift-Command-Right arrow with other shortcuts, like Option 1 through 9, to switch to a specific angle. It's like having a multi-camera switcher at your fingertips. Need more tips? Head over to anawesomeguide.com. Editing just got easier. See you there.